students, hope you all are good. This is our English literature class, and today we are going to start a new chapter which is basically a story, and a story about the turtle and the swans. This is on page number 42 and it's chapter number 6, and I'm telling you the name again. It is the turtle and the swans. In this story we are going to talk about a turtle and pair of swans. So what is the story, what happened in the chapter, what happened with the turtle and swans? We will read this chapter and then we will let know. So start the reading. Open page number 42. Here. So I am starting now. Chapter name is The Turtle and the Swans. There was once a lake in a rich green valley surrounded by blue hills and forest. In it lived a kindly old turtle. He was friendly with all the animals, for he was great talker. His best friends were a pair of beautiful white swans. Okay, so in this story we are going to talk about turtle and pair of swans. And turtle is very talkative. He talks a lot. He loves to talk, and his best friends were a pair of beautiful white swans. When the sun set behind the blue hills, the valley would glow with the orange light of dusk. The turtle would crawl up onto the bank. The swans would waddle up beside him. Then the turtle would ask, "My friends, tell me about the things you have seen and heard on the other side of the blue mountains." Means they love to talk. Turtle asks the questions to swans about that what's happening around the blue mountains, or they ask and they talk a lot there. And the three friends, okay, so they talk, turtle asks the question to swans, and here is a word like waddle up. Waddle up means he swings on the leg, he swings, and they talk a lot. And the three friends would settle down to a long chat. They had a lot of chatting there. The three friends, they do a lot of chat there. Life went on peacefully in the valley from season to season. They spent peaceful life there, season to season. What a delightful place it was. It was a very wonderful place for them because they were best friends. They talk a lot, and it was means good time. They spent good time there. Then one year something terrible happened. Something happened which was very terrible, and what was that? The rains failed and the lake began to dry up. It was not raining there, and that's why the lake started drying up. The green grass of the valley turned brown. Of course, if it was not raining, so obviously the green valley started turning brown, the blue hills turned brown, and the earth around the lake became parched. Means it was became parched, means breaking down, or dried hard, or crashed like this. Soon the lake was a side of dirty brown puddle. It was dirty water in the lake was remaining there. "We are living in the morning," said the swans. Means swans said that we are living in the morning. Means they don't want to stay there because there was nothing as there was before, like green valley or a lake was full of water. It was not like that. "We are off to the great lake." They were going for a great lake. "We are sorry you cannot fly." Now who said this? Swan says that. Who cannot fly? Turtle. Swan said to turtle that we are really sorry that you cannot fly. We are moving to a great lake and you cannot go because you cannot fly. Otherwise you could come with us. "Is it a long way off?" asked the turtle. Now turtle was like he don't want to stay there without their friend. So turtle asked that, "Is it a long way? You are going something a long way?" So they said, Swan said, "Yes," said the swans. "It will take us days to there flying swiftly." Means if we are flying if you are flying fast, if you are flying without staying anywhere, so it will take a lots of days. It will take days to go there. Well, cried the turtle. He shouted. He said in a loud voice, I shall say goodbye then forever. Means he said that then I should say goodbye to you. I won't be here when you return. Turtle said that when you will return here, I will not be here. Where will you go? Swans asked the swans. Now swans were surprised that where will he go? Nowhere, said the turtle. Turtle replied that nowhere, I will go nowhere. I shall die of thirst right here, because there was no water and there was not green valley anymore. So turtle said that if you will not take me with you, I'll be dead. The swans were sad. Of course they were sad because they were good friends. They wanted to help the turtle, but he could not fly. They wanted to take his friend with them, but they could not because turtle could not fly. The turtle said, perhaps you could carry me. Not possible, said the first swan. Now turtle is asking that maybe it could be possible that you could carry me with you. For the first swan said, no, it's not possible, not possible. You are far too heavy, said the other. The other said that you are very heavy. We cannot take you with us. And even if one of us could lift you, you would fall off, said the first swan. Now they are means assuming that if we left you, so you could fall down. I have strong jaws, said the worried turtle. Now he is saying that I have a strong jaws, I cannot fall down. I can hold on tight. Means now he's saying that I have a strong jaws, I can hold tightly. You could bite off our neck. Now they are saying that you could bite our necks, because if you will hold our neck tightly, so you could bite us, said the second swans. Not if you two held on to a stick, exclaimed the turtle, I could grip the middle. Now turtle is giving an idea that if you hold the stick from the corner, so I can grip from the middle. There is no harm in trying, said the swans. Now swans were agree that we should try. Maybe it could possible. The friends went in search of a stiff stick. Stiff means hard. They went in search of hard stick and found one, and luckily they have found. The swans took hold of either end of the stick. Now like this. The swans were holding the sticks from the corners. The turtle locked his jaws on to the middle. The turtle held the stick from the middle. The swans flapped their wings and rose up into the air. It works. Means they can fly easily and they can carry turtle with them. Thought the turtle to himself, hanging on for their life. Now turtle was thinking this, that they can carry me with them. The swans came down again, and the three friends all looked pleased with themselves. It works, cried the turtle. What a clever old turtle I am. So we have the rest of the story. We are winding up till here. Rest of the story we will read in next class, inshallah. Okay, till then you have to complete your work. What is your homework? Basically your homework is you have to make a title page of this chapter, and you have to complete word spinning and question answers. Let me show you your work which you have to do, and your writing should be neat and clean and your work should be flawless. Okay, so this is your work. Let me read this. Words meanings are surrounded on all sides. Second is kindly, meaning kind. Next is dusk, early evening. Next is delightful, and meaning is enjoyable. Next is aglow, and meaning is shining. And we have two more questions you have to do in your copy. Question number 1 is, in what ways was the valley a good place? We have read this, the valley was rich. and green surrounded by hills and forest. Second question is, why did the turtle get cross when he heard what the people said? This is the question we have not reached till here, but you have to do complete. I will explain why he was crossed. I will explain this in next class. The turtle was crossed because it had been his clever idea to fly that way. In this class, we have got to know that turtle obviously get the idea na, to hold the sticks and he will in the middle and they can carry them. So what happened next? They could reach there on the good leg or not. What was what happened to the turtle? What happened to the swans? So we will read this in next class. Till then, do complete your work and Allah Hafiz.